Well, good afternoon. It's June 17th, and we're in the fig greenhouse in southern Illinois. This is Fig and Fruit Nursery and Orchard. My name is Troy. We're going to look over the two trees that I washed the roots down on that the soil was too heavy on and they wasn't wanting to wake up. I got my Bronca sitting right here. I pretty much washed it to where it's almost a bare root. A year or so makes a big difference after doing that. So let's just get us some dirt together and we'll repot this. And you can see that it is well away. Got some nice growth. So, yep, that brings it right on back. And it ain't been a couple weeks since we done that. So, we'll take a look at the other tree and see what it looks like. Good afternoon, and this is the 17th day of June. And this is the black Celeste that I washed down a few weeks ago. And as you can see, there's a green bud started right there. There's also another one started here, and another one started down here at the base. I don't see anything else, but definitely one right there. So it's starting to come out of its funk. It's taken it a few minutes, but that's what they do. Well, there's the two trees we washed down. As you can see, if you think one's got too heavy of soil, don't be afraid to wash it down and repot it in some better potting soil. What do you got to lose other than your tree? And if you don't do nothing, it might just die anyway. So it's worth the risk. Try it out. Have a good day. And thanks for watching.